paga bich Shadrach. Koro in marine kete mane lamo. Cyzel, ote minyalo duoko mag moko kuom jopuonjre gi jonyuol dibed magi.
Ingeni gini is so frustrating to wate. Nikech the fact that podwa kia katani the government dikelo dong ne giwacho ni gidhikelo nwa the structure, a new structure. Koro podwa kia ka kama hii ma Evans okelo dibedo nal. Koro it is so confusing and it's depressing. Ana okaye gi model ni kendo I feel ni they are intentionally doing this. Kendo they are trying to paralyze our education system. So it is so sad that our forefathers fought for our freedom. They fought and made policies. They enabled us to get free, free education. Kendo the old model, in as much as wawachoni, it was not 100% successful. It was kind of working. Kendo we never complained about it. So I do not know why negibedo piny gibiro get this new model. Kendo I feel that it is a leeway mar jogi, the few people manie government mar kwalo omenda jopiny. Nikech what they apply scholarship the first semester the first year academic year, and then the next year nyaki apply kendo there is no guarantee ni that other year idhi yudo that scholarship. Koro wapenjorenia kani apply the first year to me to know say wachoni we don't trust the government ing'eyo. To ka giamua mana ni pesa nicha morning yud in the second year ngato ema pocket, there's nothing we can do about it. Koro trust onge egini to kendo it is so opaque, so it is depressing. Nitie jomoko ma ose give up. I know a lot of people ma ose give up kendo giwachoni it's better acha nifanye biashara. Because now if education is becoming so expensive, then what's the use?
Expensive kada mana nengo ni malo
Exactly. And the cost of living is so expensive. We are really getting frustrated to ma engima government onengongi. That is why one kaka Gen-Zs ne one street nyocha kai because of these things, and I feel like they are doing it intentionally. So government, we are watching you. Kendo okwadhi nindo mana kaka jowete na osewacho. We will go back to the street kendo wadhi nganyo. Wadua wako nganyo maduong because we will not accept.